lines. This is Mrs. Lambert, and I'm going to show you how to access your online research guide for your Renaissance and Reformation Portfolio research project. You're going to go to readylibrary.com, and then you're going to scroll down till you see the Renaissance Reformation Portfolio research guide and click on that. You can go click here to open a version of the online research guide, or you can simply use the one that's embedded here on the website. For this particular assignment, your teachers want you to only use resources in Mac and VIA, so please do not do open web searches on Google or use Google Scholar. Many of the resources on Google Scholar are password protected anyways. So you're going to go to Mac and VIA. You can click on this button, you can click on the link, you can also access Mac and VIA through the library website on the right hand side. Once you log into Mac and VIA with your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday, the first resource that you're going to use is Encyclopedia Britannica. For this particular assignment, it's good to start your research with an encyclopedia because it's going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different sources, and all of your people are in Encyclopedia Britannica. Whenever you search in Encyclopedia Britannica, you're going to want to focus on the level 3 resources within Encyclopedia Britannica. And also note that when you are in an article, the little citation button right here is where your citation is. You can copy and paste the citation directly into your research. You can also, if you need images for your project, you can click on images and video up at the top of the article, and then it'll give you the citation for the image within Encyclopedia Britannica. So make sure you pull that separate citation if you choose to use an image from Encyclopedia Britannica. The next database that I recommend you use is some of the ABC Clio databases, the World History Ancient and Medieval Eras, and also the World History the Modern Era. I've made a list here. I went through and vetted the people in these two sources, and so World History Ancient and Medieval Eras, these are the people that are in that database, and then World History the Modern Era, these are the people that are in that database. Whenever you search in a database, you're going to want to use this filter over here on the left hand side when you get your person pulled up and there's going to be a whole list of topics. You're going to want to focus on probably the biographies, possibly the photos and illustrations, but you can filter your resources right there on the left hand side. Once you're inside one of your resources, up at the top, you're going to click Cite this document, and then you're going to use the MLA citation that is provided for you for that source. The last source I'm going to show you is, the next source I'm going to show you is the Gale Student Resources and Context. This is another one that you may want to use for this assignment. Once you're inside the resource, you're going to want to use the filter over on the right hand side to focus on possibly biographies and other reference materials about your person. Once you're inside one of the resources, over on the right hand side you'll see the citation tools, and you'll be able to copy and paste the citation. I also want you to note that in any of our Gale databases, you can also save the article that you're using to your Google Drive, so that way you don't even have to come back to this database again. You'll have the article in your Google Drive. Also, if you're going to use an image, this is another great database to get an image from. You can choose images on the filter and then choose the image that you want and then copy and paste the citation for that particular image. Make sure that you cite any images that you use in your project. The final database I'm going to show you is the Gale Virtual Reference Library, the GVRL. Once you have an item pulled up, or once you have a search done in the GVRL, over here on the right hand side, you can click View More, and you're going to want to focus on biographies probably on this one. And again, the citation tools over on the right will pull up your MLA citation for you. And then lastly, if you want to download any of the articles that you use from the GVRL into your Google Drive, you can save it as a PDF right directly into your Google Drive. So that way if you need to refer to it later, it's right there. Again, if you have any questions or problems during the course of your research, please don't hesitate to email me at lambertn@friscoisd.org. I'm here to help you. Good luck.